Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I guess that is Jeffree Star's introduction, but let's go back to our regular introduction. That is, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Happiness Lifestyle and I'm Hema. And today I wanted to do, I came back from India and I've been sick from the time I came back. And my kids are still in India enjoying their summer. I just came back a little bit early. And I had a great time in India, so there will be a lot of hauls coming up, like clothing, jewelry and stuff that I want to just show and share with you guys, the things that I bought. But also I had a bad time too, because my one of my cousin brothers passed away, and that so half of my vacation was very good, but then other half of the vacation was just went in grieving, and I'm still grieving about it. But I guess life must go on. So, but one thing I actually realized is that how important health is, and I don't know, it just that when something like that happens, you just put everything comes to you, like your priorities, what's important to you in life, all those things become so clear to you. Like you just start feeling like, what am I doing? I don't know, maybe that's like another video that I can do on health and mental health and stuff like that. Anyway, so let's get on with this video, which is I wanted to actually do this video quickly, even though I'm actually still sick and like on antibiotics and stuff, and I have my Gatorade right here. My face just looks like that because I did makeup, and but I'm still having like sinus and stuff going on. I'm talking about the Bareminerals Barepro lipstick. The Bareminerals, let me come closer. Bareminerals Barepro, and it says, okay, let me show it. It says the Bareminerals Barepro long wearing lipstick. Now I'm not sure if it is matte or not, but it actually seems like a matte lipstick. And I had taken like this one to India, and I've used it in India, and I loved the formula. And you can go watch Tanuja's Space, and she's the one who also requested that I do this video, because I found this at TJ Maxx. I think she bought them in Ulta, and they are still $20. They are $20 at Ulta, and these are fairly new. You can see at TJ Maxx I actually got it for $6.99, but they retail at $20. So you probably will find them still in TJ Maxx, in some TJ Maxxes. If you try, go look for it, because the formula is really good. I was surprised that when I saw that this was actually available in TJ Maxx. So that's how the packaging looks, and this color is cranberry, and I did see them on Ulta, both of them. I have the color saffron and cranberry, and both of them I found them on Ulta for $20. The first one here, let me show you this, since this is already out of the packet. So this is the one so again, Bareminerals Barepro, and this color is saffron, and they usually have this band around it, which actually shows you the color that it is. So this band here, so this shows orange, because this is like a really true orange color, like a saffron color. It's like right name. So that is saffron, and that's the one I have on this video, and that's the one I also had on my previous TJ Maxx haul video, which like I said, I'm going to link it somewhere. So that is saffron, and this is how the tube looks. It's really like long tube, thin tube, and then you can see how much product is in there. There's a lot of amount of product, and especially that I found this for $6.99. I remember, I think this one was actually $5.99 when I found this at that time. But the other one, this one, which is the cranberry that I had found recently, or after this, was $6.99. But this one was I remember I showed it in the TJ Maxx video that this was $5.99. So that's how much product there it is. So that's really good, and if you find it in TJ Maxx, then you know it's really worth it. So that's how the tube is, and it is pretty good, and it's pretty tight the way it locks in. Like you have to really like press it so it'll never come out or anything. So it's really good. So it's pretty long tube. So that is the color saffron, and I have it on there. I can show it to you even in just kind of swatching it here, because I only have two. I can swatch them here too. So that is saffron, beautiful orange color, true like bright orange. I love this color. And then the next one is the cranberry, like I had showed you guys. So let's open the packet. And so this was $6.99 at TJ Maxx. I found it for $6.99, and again they retail at $20 on Ulta website. So this is cranberry. So this is how it looks like, and it is, so you can see that the color is there right here. It's like they have this rim which shows the color here, and if you open it, so again it is pretty long tube. It's a darker color, but because I would love to get some like browns and you know mauves, but these are the only two I found at TJ Maxx, so that's why I may go look for more, but or look in different TJ Maxx's, but these are the only colors I found there. And since I'd liked the orange one so much, I had got the other one too. So that is cranberry, and that is how it looks, the back. And really surprised to find out that these are fairly new. Like even I'm not completely sure, but I think they're fairly new. So this one, let me swatch it on my arm here. It's beautiful. It looks very dark, but it doesn't look that like dark. It's really beautiful color. Cranberry, really like a cranberry color. And now I'm going to show you, swatch it on my lips. And the formula is so good. They are really long wearing, because I tried the orange one in India, and even though after some time, like you know, I need to reapply on the top here because it goes off just near that pigmentation part there, but the stain, it kind of, the stain is still there, like it doesn't go away completely, and you can always like rub it like that, and it's not too silicone-y, so it's good. So I did love it. It's kind of similar to the Shiseido ones that I've tried. I did a haul on that also, like I showed you guys. I had bought some from Macy's. I'll link that also somewhere for the swatches. I'd done a swatch video on that, so those were really good. I loved them. So these are kind of similar to them, but I think these last much longer than them. Like they stay on the lips, like you know, and fade really good. So I really liked this formula. So I haven't tried the dark color yet, this color, but I will try later. So let me show you how it looks on the lips. I'm not going to put any lip liner because I don't want to kind of mask the color. I got a lip liner here, but I want to show you just the color so you can see. And I am not even putting any chapstick or anything. Usually I would put chapstick for any lipstick, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show you guys this. And since the wand is like the way it is shaped, and the way like the tip is here and thin, you can kind of go over really nice like a liner. You can go over it like a liner. It's really nice. How smooth it is, like. I mean, really very, very similar to the Shiseido ones. And if you see that, see, I can, it lines the lips so well because it's so like, that shape is like that. So that is cranberry. It's really beautiful. So it doesn't look as dark as the tube. Like, you know, I thought it might be that dark, but it isn't that dark. You may not even need like lip liner if you have like really good big luscious lips, and not like mine. Mine are so thin that I still put a lip liner. I put lip liner for everything. So that is cranberry, and beautiful color. So that's all for the review, guys. I really love this, and that's why I wanted to really show this to you guys and kind of do a review, share my opinion on this. And since they are found in TJ Maxx, that's the reason I really wanted to upload this quickly. So thank you so much for watching. Please pay attention to your health, especially your mental health, and don't be like scared to take off time, you know, in your life. Sometime you may need to take some time off and like reflect on yourself, and you know, just take care of your health. So if you need to do that, you need to stop everything, take care of your health first. Health is such a big priority. If you are not going to be healthy and good, you cannot do anything in life. So that's the number one priority, and it should always be the number one priority for you guys, because nobody else is going to take care of you. Doesn't matter how many people you have around you, supporting family or whatever, it really doesn't matter. It's really you have to really take care of yourself. So that is something you need to know, that it's just you for yourself. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Take care, guys. Love you all. Bye.